Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a website on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, this will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorials, we would like to build a website. And if we want to do that, we'll have to click at our name in the top right corner, then click at my products. So we will get into the products page. Once we are at the products page, make sure to click at your domain name. Like here, well, of course, if you have a lot, just go and click on the one that you would like to build a website on. For you, if you have that page, click at the website. And if you don't have a page, you will have, or if you don't have that page, you'll have another page. You will find an edit website option at kind of the top left. So make sure to click on it. So for me, I can just here click at add a website. And of course, here I will have to choose what's the website is going to be about. Let's say, as an example, it's going to be IT servers. Click on next. Here, select the name of it and then click on next. And let's just wait for this until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. Of course, as you can see here, step 2 of 2. So those kind of the two steps until we get into the website builder option. And from there, we'll be able to change everything we want. As you can see here, we will have to choose a plan if we want to build our website, or we can continue for free if you want. Click at continue for free if you want. And as you can see, they already give you a simple template if you want to start with. Then you can change whatever you want. Then simply click at publish and you will be good to go. You will build your website. For me, as you can see here, we're working on moving you to a free plan. That's why they gonna take actually 12 hours to update my account. That's why I cannot make any changes for now. But for you, will find everything cool. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.